BSEE 1B Integration of Talents in Mathematics in the Modern World.
Why? Why did I get into this? It's not as easy as I thought it was. But I have no choice.
So next we have some important kinds of mathematical statement. The first one.
Every number span names to solve. It's a hidden era for fighter ones and bold. The battles and numbers was one so deep. We were able to take a giant leap.
Math is hard, you know it's hard. With the right knowledge and skills, you'll understand.
Each student's fight for their battles to survive, but our ultimate guide is the class league and lost.
Numbers are solved. Be careful how you solve. It's a single mistake, can be hard to resolve.
Every formula that we try to seize is just a hidden message waiting for someone to decrypt. Math is hard, you know it's hard. With the right knowledge and skills, you understand.
Each student's fight for their battles to survive, but our ultimate guide is the class league and lost.
Ingon sila, bulok na kong mat. Mas bulok ang mat kay mas kaya problema ari pasulbad na ho.
Pipila ka estudyante, nag-ingon sila kini, dili gamit ang math kung kita manrabaho na po. Pero kung ako ang pasultihon, gamit kinis pangandoy kong propesyon. Pero I don't know ngano, grabe sad kaayo ang mat sa mong kurso. Nay adlaw sa tangog ko ng bahungaw, nagkahuna-huna pud kog tinaw. Nga ang magmurarag electricity, dapat sakto aron di maglitsi-litsi. Istadihan yun na to, eksakto, aron di ta masayop sa numero. Sa electrical kung wire sayop ang numero, building nimo sunog ug maabo. Mathematics in the modern world, usang hard subject din sa world. Nga kung imo rang i-ignore, kaingon yun ka inig exam, kuhaan na kulor. Mathematics in the modern world, usang hard subject din sa world. That is why we need to study and explore, para imong future self makaingon. ug salamat Lord.
My job is to make college easier because students have a lot on their plates. Like Harper and Econ.
Don't skip ads. 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 Don't skip ads.
Okay.
Element. So try this at home. The quantity of A prime, B prime.
Oh, hell no!
So I hope
Yeah, boy.
and I hope this is not okay.
This needs to stop now.
God bless
Wow! Nice.
There's numbers all around me, and I hate it. I'm begging you. Sir Sally can teach us math like you always do. I'm begging you. Sir Sally can teach us math like you always do. Math is hard, we know it's hard, like every formulas that we try to seize. And I would love mathematics if it's only 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. But then every time that we look for X, look for solution in this problem, kasaligan vlog, let me watch the math thing that I need to know. Cause I'm on this full, I'm begging, cause I don't bagsak ni mo. Yeah, mathematics. I'm begging you. Sir Sally can teach us math like you always do. I'm begging you. Sir Sally can teach us math like you always do.
So what you are seeing right now is I'm solving the nth term formula for sequence that will lead to a sudden result, which I calculated 100 divided by 3 rocks. I would be hitting the speed of velocity 12 rocks per second. This means that the brain will be affected by a small cuticle to request backup from Lancelot. Based on intellectual capacity, Reloxia nervosa, bronchitis, and philopotomia of the dog, I will be able to reach right from the start of times, minutes, seconds, and hours, especially in the light of ecclesiastical, to prevent Iron Man snapping the Infinity Stones. Therefore, I conclude that the Ferris wheel is moving by circular motion to its rectangular, multidimensional space until you find the answer. So, in finding the nth term formula for a sequence using difference table, so here are the steps. First, construct a difference table. Second, the constant row tells you the degree of polynomials in what differences. Then 3, use the general specific formulas which are given in the video. Then lastly, solving system of equation in finding unknown variables.
Our love is like a pattern, oh yeah, a problem solved to learn to be that. Still we must go on and find the missing theory of our patterns.
The set of problems such as depression, poverty, judgments, and etc. They are all less than God. So 1, 2, 3, sing with me.
Our life is like in t-shirts, sometimes positive, sometimes negative.
All you need to do, apply the right formula.
You choose happiness and success. It's learn mathematics and all it is for us to understand others, quantify relationship and to predict the future. It help us understand there was you to understand your life as well.
So don't be afraid, just keep on going. This life is like math, full of problems, but you need to analyze and solve to find the end term of your life. Life is like a puzzle, la 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 la. Every day we struggle to find the missing pieces and attach sketch to make the figure complete.
Rain color virus on problem.
Hey, no.
Lesson warning. Every problem has a solution. Problem X is an element of life. Our life is like in teachers. Sometimes positive, sometimes negative.
All you need to do, apply the right formula.
Then choose happiness and success.
Let's learn mathematics in modern world. It is a way to understand patterns and quantify relationships and do predictive picture. It helps us understand the world so you can understand your life as well.
So don't be afraid, just keep on going. Your step is the path, full of problems, but you need to analyze and solve to find the anthem of your life.
In life you need to be like alphabet series B, H, G. This means you have to be brave, eager, honest, and kind.
Life is like a set of operation, where A is the positive side, and B is the negative one. So let's pretend our life is a Venn diagram. Let's learn mathematics in modern world, and it's a way to understand patterns, to quantify relationship, and to predict the future. It helps us understand the world so you can understand your life as well.
So don't be afraid, just keep on going. Yes, life is like math, full of problems, but you need to analyze and solve to find the anthem of your life. Analyze and solve to find the anthem of your life.
Kala ko lang, nga sa June lang ang exam ni Sir Saligan. It kept me a dead, but I'm wasting my breath, cause I thought pariharas among assignments. I'll be ready, I do. I'll be ready, I do know, cause I've never met this nightmare. Ang muron sa unang day.
Math is hard if you don't work hard. Math is not easy if you always lazy. You can't get the equation if you don't have determination. Mathematics in the modern world. You're not easy but fun to study. You're not easy but makes me happy. Thanks to Kasaligan Vlogs, you made me a better person, to the future that I want to go on.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! enemy reaches the battlefield, smash them.
Yeah, yung mother ni mo
All
sa
troops
si mama.
deployed.
Okay.
Ha? Ini ara uy. Patro ko. Chu. Apa dah?
2,000 years later.
Victory!
Yes.
Oh no!
Patay ang assignment.
Run.
Ang galing mo, Angoy! Ang galing!
Many students say math is very hard. You can pass the test without being haggard. I will recommend you to watch Kasalikan vlogs. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. Kasalikan vlogs. Your knowledge will grow up if you listen to say, and you'll become what we saw.
Akala ko tayong dalawa ang magpa-function. Yun pala, hindi. Kasi may iba kang karelasyon. In short, 1:2 ka pala.
master. Ganyan lang. Huli ko nga yung walang relasyon, nagpa-function.
Mathematics in the modern world. Mathematics is pretty hard to motivate yourself to go beyond your standards, and yet all our problems will be disregarded and our future will be safeguarded. And then we encounter mathematics in the modern world, where my mates and I has been molded and encounter new things that has never been untold, and thanks to Sir Uwu who never acted cold. Our latest topic is inductive reasoning, a reasoning that is based on patterns you observe corresponding. But with higher understanding, this topic is so much more interesting. And the next one would be deductive reasoning, a method in which mathematical fact is so much more interesting. All you need to know is all in this vlog and it is so much more entertaining. But don't forget this is math, so be prepared because it will be also be breathtaking. This is our mathematics in the modern world latest topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe or you are so pathetic. You are watching problems and examples that is so realistic. So be grateful to Sir Wu because he is so specific. This is Kasaligan Vlogs and this is classic.
What is a variable? Is it a number, a design, or anything mechanical? Or the concept could be abstract and rational? It holds more than one value or has an unknown value not restricted to just one clue. Variables work with statements. For purpose it's optional. If all is true, then it's universal. Conditional sets a condition for the rest to follow, and existential claims something which is never hollow. Others merge for anew, like universal conditional, setting the condition for all to go through. There is universal existential, where all is true and an existence is shown. And there is existential universal, where one exists for all to be known. So back to my question, what is a variable? Got a suggestion? Whatever the case may be, variables must make everything in math and engineering agree.
Do you know what's the most wicked mathematical ever? Your head on my
Mathematics in the modern world. Thy echoes of wisdom soft, whose potential growth am I thought. Learning patterns might be teased, but those lingering probabilities won't be pleased. Get lost in those imaginary shackles behind 1,000 steps awaits thy pentacles. Shadows of tomorrow reflect, they may arrows. Let the angle in its line may not be a sorrow. 1, 4, and 3 is radiant behind my eye. But 2, 6, and 5 is the trend I must try. Does anyone knows what's 3, 8, and 7 in my dime? And the angel numbers that satisfies my prime. One of 1,000 words can't always be defined. But with Casalinian blogs, my mind won't be denied. Learning difficult things made us strive and inclined. That may others find it easy, that anyone can't be denied. Hooray, hooray, Casaligan blog is on the way. Knowledge and capability is ready at its most, bounded by those puzzling ideas for us to entrust. Am I thirst with knowledge? Yes, I must.
Uy, napulang gisente siya. Sampai topic karon na. Relations and functions. Sakto na kila ara batay ka relation karon. Pinanggato be. All relations are functions, but all functions are relations. So, that's all. So, lahat lang hindi lahat ng relasyon ay magpa-function. So, lahat ng magpa-function ay may relasyon. Again.
Dili sa chat na ako na di may relations pero wala namin nag-function.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan.
Are you feeling down and left out? Do your barcadas and batchmates have better grades than you? Feeling behind the competition? Well, don't worry, because that's part of learning. And learning is not about consistency, but rather a piece where you need to grow and adapt on a daily basis. Take engineering, for example. Not everyone is destined to be number smart, but with everyday exposure and new teachings adapted, at some point, there is what we call development along the way. So don't worry, because everyone has their own pace. Learn to rest, not to quit.
sa relasyon. 1:1 relation lang. Isang babae, isang lalaki, ang magmamahalan hanggang sa huli. Pero, bakit ang natagpo kong relasyon ay many-1? Yun bang marami kaming lalaki ang nagmamahal sa kanya? Tas ang mas masakit pa dun, minahal ko siya ng sobra-sobra. Ginawa ko lahat ang mga consequences niya. Tapos sa huli, hindi pala kami ang magpa-function. Ano bang mali? Gusto ko lang naman ay ang matinong relasyon. Tapos sa huli, sakit lang pala ang madadatnan ko. Sobrang sakit.
mathematics and engineering, nothing is easy. Kaya walang magiging madali. Sabi nga nila, kung wala kang pupuntahan, wala kang mararating. Huwag kang maniniwala sa kaklase at swerte kapag nag-exam. Malas yan. Kapag zero ka, wala kang tama. At kung hindi naman mali, may tama ka na. Lagi mong tatandaan na kahit anong pangit ng araw mo dahil bagsak ka sa modern math, mas pangit ka. So you have to be strong para maging matatag. And remember not to give up para hindi sumuko. Because in mathematics and engineering, nothing is easy. Kaya wala talagang magiging madali.
This work of mine is called Technical Drafting Computer Aided Design. This is a subfield of engineering which deals with the design and drafting of objects and materials through the use of specialized software that visualizes design as modular 3D computer models. And I made a floor plan, a master's bedroom, dining area, and kitchen. I choose computer aided design because it is one of my skills and also in line with some topics in our mathematics in the modern world, with our subject teacher, Dr. Joseph Item Saligan. Patterns and numbers in the nature of the world is the topic that I choose. As I made the design, I noticed that there is a pattern in making it, in some commands like offset, duplicate, and mirror. I can conclude that the next shape will be the same as the original. There is a pattern with connect to its size and shape. And that's all. Thank you. Ooh.
So therefore, we have to choose this one. Okay, so that's all about example number 5. So next we have here
you might need me, you're chillin'. You're tryna knock me off, nigga, but I can stop it. I gotta make a way for all of my feelings. Super smaller than a dot. Nigga, what you got? So I chill. So nigga, be like a truck. You ain't never been gang, nigga, you ain't on go. You was having sweet dreams and I was sleeping on the floor. And I got the keys and I said, oh, I'ma taste them. Sit back, smoke weed, I'ma taste them. Said I'm a rich one, baby, I take a gangster. On my way to the top, you said I'm gangster. Working that overtime just to run that check good. Yeah, you already blessed me, I'm blessed. I said the only time to step, I got me messed up. I said the only time to step, I got me messed up. I had to hide by my feelings, cause you won't do nothing for me. I'm asking you, can you hear me? I done seen enough of these streets. I just might love me like three. Shit,
mathematics in the modern world.
Legendary!
Mathematics in the modern world. Let us watch in Kasaligan vlogs, and everything will be easy. You've got the knowledge. Let's all watch in Kasaligan vlogs. It comprises different math topics and other amusing contents. Mathematics in the modern world is helpful in our chosen course and easing math exams. Let's all watch in Kasaligan vlogs. It will answer all of your math queries. Kasaligan vlogs. Mathematics in the modern world.
Math. Palaging nandyan. Ang math. Isa sa mga pinakamahirap sa lahat. Di ko alam kung anong gagawin. Palaging tumatakbo sa isipan ko kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Paano ko ba ito sisimulan? Saan ko ba ito makikita at mahahanap? Yan ang kadalasan nating maririnig. At kahit ano pa man kahirap ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, lalaban ako hindi ako susuko at kakayanin ko to dahil ito ang makapagbibigay sa atin ng kinabukasan. At lagi nating tatandaan, mapapagod lang tayo pero dito